Hi, this is a short video of my first experience using GYEON Wax. Let's just see what comes in the kit. As always, very nicely packaged with GYEON. First of all, you have the wax itself in a dispenser. You've got a very nice applicator, which is quite an unusual shape, but is supposed to be very easy to use. And you get a GYEON microfiber cloth to complete the package. The GYEON Wax comes in what can be best described as a deodorant roll-on type applicator. It comes with this protective cap, and all you do is turn the bottom of it to expose as much as you need, and then you just simply wipe it along the applicator that's provided. Right, according to GYEON, you use the applicator of your choice, but I'm going to use the one that they provided. You're supposed to put a moderate amount on the actual applicator itself, but a thick layer, panel by panel. I think it probably needs some priming, and you've got a 30-minute wait before you can wipe it off, and about 12 hours for it to cure. It's a very oily consistency. I don't think it matters too much whether you use circular motion or crosshatch. I think it's up to you and your own preference. The main thing is to get a even coverage. Now GYEON do say to do quite a thick layer, and a panel at a time. As this is a black car, it's actually quite easy to see where you've been. I dare say some lighter colour cars you might struggle. Yeah, very nice, and actually the applicator is very easy to hold, so a win for GYEON straight away there. It's a little bit grabby, but very easy to apply. The paint has been thoroughly cleaned, polished, and decontaminated prior to doing this. And this is actually a topper to GYEON Mohs, so it'll be interesting to see how it plays with that. The car has been maintained completely with GYEON products. You certainly couldn't ask for an easier application. It certainly gets easier once the applicator is loaded up. It's perfectly okay on plastics and glass apparently as well, so I'm not trying to avoid the rear lights or the glass. Well, unfortunately, due to a technical hitch, we actually haven't got the video of the removal process. So unfortunately, you just have to take my word for it that it was actually a very, very nice removal. I used two cloths, one to take it off and then the other one to buff it. And it's come to a fantastic shine and very, very slick feel to it. So the application process and removal have been absolutely faultless. An absolute pleasure to use. Very, very easy. Not the ideal conditions, but possibly it's a very good test of a product, because not all of us have nice garages and awnings or anything to work under. So if it'll do a very nice experience and finish in these circumstances, then I think it's a very nice product. The only downside I've found is that the applicator, whether it's broken or something, but I can't get it to actually dispense it anymore, and I'm assuming that that's all full of product. So it's going to be very hard to actually use anymore. I think that this is probably just a faulty applicator, dispenser, rather than any reflection on the product itself. But as a wax, fantastic, really enjoyed using it. Absolutely no downside so far at all. If you've got any ideas as to what I've done wrong with the twist, I've just twisted it like a deodorant stick and I can't get it to work, so hopefully I've not lost all that product. But thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, can you press like and subscribe for some more videos. The car's completely maintained with GYEON products, so hopefully in the future there'll be some videos on products like restart, prep, etc. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.